Hello everyone, welcome back to Mortgage Pro. Today, we are breaking down the costs and fees associated with reverse mortgages. Whether you are a realtor guiding clients or a borrower considering this option, understanding these expenses is crucial. Let's dive in. Reverse mortgages can be a great financial tool. But like any loan, they come with costs. It is important to understand these expenses upfront to make an informed decision. Let's start with the initial cost. Origination fee. This is charged by the lender for processing the loan. It can vary but is typically capped by the FHA. Closing costs. These includes appraisal fee, title insurance, and other standard closing expenses. Mortgage insurance premium, or MIP. For FHA-backed reverse mortgages, an upfront MIP is required to protect both the borrower and lender. Now, onto the ongoing costs. Interest. While you don't make monthly payments, interest accrues on the loan balance over time. Monthly servicing fee. Some lenders charge a fee for managing the loan, though many have moved away from this practice. The good news is that most of these costs can be financed into the loan, meaning you won't need to pay them out of pocket. However, this will reduce the amount of equity available to you. Before proceeding, consider these factors. Number 1, impact on equity. Financing costs into the loan reduces your available equity. Number 2, long-term planning. Ensure the benefits outweigh the costs for your financial situation. Number 3, consult professionals. Work with a financial advisor or reverse mortgage counselor to fully understand the implications. Reverse mortgages can be a great option for seniors looking to supplement retirement income or cover unexpected expenses. Realtors can also offer this as a solution for clients seeking financial flexibility. And there you have it, a breakdown of costs and fees associated with reverse mortgages. We hope this video has provided valuable insights. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more informative content. Until next time, happy house hunting and financial planning.